Why do so many people struggle with money, even when they earn a good salary? Why do some people build wealth effortlessly while others live paycheck to paycheck? Here's the truth. Financial success is not about intelligence. It's about your relationship with money. In this video, we'll break down 5 powerful lessons from the psychology of money that will completely change how you think about wealth. And stay until the end, because lesson number 5 is the one thing most millionaires know that the average person doesn't. Most people think financial success is about making more money. But the truth, your behavior matters more than your income. Did you know? More than 60% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. Doctors and lawyers who earn 6 figures often have zero savings. Meanwhile, school teachers and janitors have quietly retired as millionaires. The real reason? It's not how much money you make, it's how you think about money. Let's dive into the 5 biggest money lessons that will change your financial future. Lesson number 1, the power of compounding. Most people believe that getting rich means making big, bold moves. But in reality, the secret to wealth is patience. Ronald Reed was a janitor and gas station attendant. He never earned a high salary, yet when he passed away, he had saved over $8 million. How? He started investing early, let compound interest work, and never touched his investments. Small, consistent savings matter more than occasional big wins. Investing early and staying patient beats trying to time the market. Set up an automatic investment, no matter how small. The key is consistency. Lesson number 2, the wealthy think long-term. One of the biggest mistakes people make with money is focusing on short-term gains instead of long-term wealth. When Amazon was losing money in its early years, most people thought it would fail. But Bezos had a long-term mindset. He reinvested profits instead of cashing out. Today, Amazon is worth over $1 trillion. The wealthy prioritize delayed gratification over instant rewards. Instead of spending on short-term pleasures, invest in long-term assets. Before buying something expensive, ask, will this make me richer in 5 years? Lesson number 3, avoid lifestyle inflation. Live below your means. Every time most people get a raise, they upgrade their lifestyle. The problem? They never actually build wealth. Most millionaires don't drive Ferraris. They drive used cars, live in modest homes, and invest their money instead of spending it. Doctors and lawyers earning 6 figures still live paycheck to paycheck. Meanwhile, average earners who save consistently quietly build wealth. Every time you get a raise, increase your savings rate before increasing your expenses. Lesson number 4, the psychology of money. Master your emotions. Most bad financial decisions happen because of emotions, fear, greed, and impatience. During the 2008 financial crisis, many people panicked and sold their investments at the worst possible time. Meanwhile, the wealthiest investors stayed calm and bought assets at a discount. Fear makes you sell too soon. Greed makes you invest in trends that don't last. Next time the market drops, don't panic. Remember, wealth is built through long-term thinking. Lesson number 5, wealth is freedom, not stuff. Most people think being rich means driving fancy cars and wearing designer clothes. But real wealth is the ability to live life on your terms. Real financial freedom means having control over your time, not owning expensive things. Ask yourself, do I want to be rich or do I want to look rich? So let's recap the 5 biggest money lessons from the psychology of money. 1, wealth grows through compounding. Start early. 2, the rich think long-term, not short-term. 3, avoid lifestyle inflation. Live below your means. 4, master your emotions. Money decisions should be logical, not emotional. 5, wealth is freedom, not luxury. Focus on financial independence. If you found this valuable, hit the subscribe button. And if you're serious about financial freedom, watch my next video on atomic habits for financial success. It will completely change how you manage your money.